Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Saily SIM on an iPhone, step by step, in just a couple of minutes. First, if you don't have the Saily app yet, open the App Store and search for Saily. Once you find it, tap Get and install the app. When the installation is done, open it up and log into your account. Now let's install the SIM. Inside the Saily app, tap Install SIM. You'll get a prompt on your iPhone asking for permission. Go ahead and tap Allow and then tap. Continue to start the installation. It might take a minute or two, so just wait until it finishes. After it's installed, you can open your settings and go to Cellular. You should see your Saily SIM listed there and showing as active. The last step is to turn on data roaming so everything works while you're traveling. Go to Settings, then Cellular Data Options, and toggle data roaming on. And that's it. Your Saily SIM is now ready to use, and you're good to go online wherever your plan provides coverage. If you want to grab a Saily SIM for yourself, I've added my affiliate link and a 15% off coupon in the description. Safe travels and stay connected.